Hi everyone, welcome back to Rock Natural. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to rock old passion twist, because we all have those times where we need to get our hair done again but it just ain't time. So I'm showing you what styles I've been rocking with my passion twist, and if you're interested then keep watching. So this first style, I've been rocking this to work this whole week. Ew. Okay, so I split it on the side like this, and then I just take the top pieces and pull them to the back. This is like a super easy and I feel like professional style that I can still rock even though it looks a little frizzy at the top. This is perfect because it still looks professional and it's still cute at the same time. I like to pull the back to the front and then go with it like this. This next style is going to be one that, like, let's say you're going out or you're going to hang out with some friends and family and you really want to look cute. You already know I love my scarf. This is when your roots get really bad. You got to use this as style, and I believe that everyone can pull off this look. So I just take this scarf, like a square, fold it in half, and then tie this around. So you can either do a side or a middle. I'm going to do a middle part and then just tie this around my head like this. Feeling like poetic justice. But how cute is this? Okay, you can loosen it a little bit, but this is so cute, and like you already know I would be rocking this no matter what. So this one was really easy. All you need is some type of scarf, or you can even throw on a hat. Now that we got that one out the way, let's go ahead and go to the next style. So another style is taking the two, and when I wore this style I kind of looked like a Spice Girl, but it was still really cute. So I'm just going to take two sections, wrap it around in two buns, and then I like to leave, like, the curls are long enough, leave them out, because then it just gives the overall look cute style, like you have little curly ends. And then do the same to the other side, and then I like them to look different on each side, so I'm not going to leave the same ends out on the other side. And then bring these to the front. So this style is also really cute when you're going to hang out with your friends, or you're going to a party or some type of function where you want to jazz it up a little bit. You can put in the two buns. Okay, so along the same lines, you can take both of these together and put them in a top bun. So be sure to go check out my recent post on my page, because I'm rocking this style majority of the time. I was in NOLA just because it was so cute and it gave me the opportunity to switch it up, if you know what I'm saying. And then you can like maneuver it and bobby pin if you need to. So I'm loving this style. This is like my go-to. This has been my go-to other than down. And the other one I showed you, that was for work. Because it's so cute, and like I already love with my natural hair to wear my hair like this. So of course have to do it with the passion twist. Next style is a low pony. I just like to adjust these braids in a way that, even a side pony, let's do a side pony, a low side pony. The one thing I love about passion twist is that they are so light. What y'all think? Okay. See, super easy all the time, anytime. This is a good way just to get them off your neck if you want, or if you want like the side pony. I do have a video on how to create like a low pony that's super cute like this without having to have braids, so be sure to check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This video shows you all about how I rock my passion twists since they are a little older. They're not fresh. Obviously, I love to wear them down, but these were just some styles that I do in the meantime to kind of supplement and still look fly, okay? Be sure to check out this video that shows you how to get the passion twist, and then also check out this video which shows you how to prep your hair for the passion twist. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.